baking soda, whatever.
Baking powder.
There is a difference.
Oh, great. Now it's green soda. I mean
Because
green lava again.
yellow and blue makes green.
Oh, there goes a chunk of my volcano. Why did I even choose lava? But it's fun to destroy Caboose City! I mean, Cabooseville or something, whatever.
So what is the purpose of the experiment?
We had to determine how much baking soda and vinegar would make the thing explode, come out the top.
Quarter cup.
Well, we found that.
Eighth cup.
Well, we found that a tablespoon of each would bring it up to the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, we need some more baking powder.
Soda.
So, whatever.
Ooh. Oh, there's a slow one. Ugh.
The slow death.
Of blue lava.
I think it's burning the Smurfs.
Dog, you Smurfs. I ate Papa Smurf in a cake once. Now I'm gonna eat the rest of you.